Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the restore now. Install or open iTunes and connect your iPhone with a reliable cable. Unlock the device and tap Trust when prompted so the computer can access it. If your backup was encrypted, make sure you have that password. If Find My iPhone blocks the process, turn it off in Settings. Once connected, select your device in iTunes. This first choice lets iTunes list available backups and backup options for the next step. Now select Summary or General and click Restore Backup. Pick the most recent or the correct dated file so you recover the right data. If the backup is encrypted, enter the password when prompted. This unlocks saved passwords and health data. Make sure your iPhone stays connected and awake. The process shows a progress bar and may restart the device several times. While iTunes restores system files, apps and media will re-download later. So be patient. Once the restore finishes, follow on-device prompts to sign into Wi-Fi and your Apple ID so services resume. Wait for apps, photos, and media to re-download. You can resync music or videos from iTunes if they're missing. Verify key data like contacts, messages, and health entries. If something goes wrong, try the troubleshooting step. Check the cable and USB port, free up disk space on the computer, update iTunes/macOS, and if needed, attempt the restore from a different trusted computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.